Okay children, let us learn addition in expanded form. How to do addition in expanded form. So here 48 plus 28 is the problem. Ones, tens. So how many ones are there in 48? 8 ones. How many tens are there in 48? 4. So write 4 tens, 8 ones. So next here in 28, how many tens are there? 2. 2 tens plus 8 ones. Okay. Now you add 4 tens to 2 tens. How many tens total? In total? 4 to how many? 4 plus 2? 6 tens plus 8 ones, 8 ones. In total how much? 16. 16 ones. Now here regroup. Hey Sneha, what are you doing? Now here regroup. 16. 1 tens and 6 ones. So now do total. 6 tens, 1 tens. How many tens? 7 tens. Plus how many remain ones here? 6 ones. So in total 7 tens how much? 70. 6 ones how much? 6. 70 plus 6 how much? 76. So that means 48 plus 28 is equals to 76. So this way we can do addition in expanded form. Have you all understood? Okay.